Welcome to my channel. In this class, we are going to learn grade 10 NCERT syllabus chapter 1, that is arithmetic progression. In that first concept, we are going to learn arithmetic progression. What do you mean by arithmetic progression? It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Except means you have to leave that first term. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. These are the list of numbers. Here one is a first term. Then what it is a fixed term, we'll find out later, and one more series we'll consider. So now 100, 80, 60, 40. This also we call it as arithmetic progression. Next one more. -3, -2, -1, 0. This is also arithmetic progression example. Then why we call it as this all three as arithmetic progression examples here. So the definition says it is a list of number. So each number we call it as here terms. So this is a first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that. Here first term is 100, second it is 80. Arithmetic progression, it is obtained by adding a fixed number to preceding term except first term. How it is? What is the first term here? It is 1. Second term it is 2. We have to find out their difference. First number, this is second term. Second number minus first number. 2 minus 1, you will get it a 1, like that. Next, any number you can consider 2 and 3. 3 minus 2. So while find out a difference, you have to find out the second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. First we have to take a second number, afterwards previous number. 3 minus 2. Here it is 4 minus 3. Here it is 5 minus 4, like that. If you find out a difference, you will get it a 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 6 is, in all the cases, the difference is 1. That we call it as a fixed number. The fixed number, and also in other words we call it as a common difference. In the definition, the given fixed number, it is 1. First term is 1. For that, if you add 1 plus 1, this is the preceding number or backside number. For that, if you add 1, then fixed number it is 1. 1 plus 1, you will get it a 2. Next number. For that. So next, for this, this is a preceding number. For this, 2 plus 1, you will get it a 3. 3 plus 1, you will get it a 4. 4 plus 1, you will get a 5. Like that, arithmetic progression is obtained. Then come to the second example. Here it is, first term is 100. What is the fixed number? 100 and 80 we are considering. So this is a first term, this is a second term. From the second term, we need to subtract the first term. 80 minus 100, you will get it a minus 20. Here it is, 80 is the smallest number, 100 is the biggest number. From that bigger number sign, it is minus, you will get it a minus 20. Like that. 60, this is a, if you consider this 2, 60 is the second term. 60 minus 80. Again same procedure we are following. Minus 20. Here it is fixed number. And or else we call it as a common difference is same. That is minus 20. 100 So it is the first term, it is 100. We have to add. It means 100 plus minus 20 will get it a 80. You are getting a second term. Then 80 plus minus 20 will get it a 60. 60 plus minus 20 will get a 40. Like that arithmetic progression is obtained. We are not adding any number to the first term. They only given a first term. Then come to the third example. How it is? Same thing we have to follow. Here it is. Second term is minus 2. We need to subtract minus 3. This is first term is minus 3. Minus 2. Minus into minus plus. You will get it a plus 1 because bigger number is a 3, that is having a plus sign, plus 1. Like that, here it is fixed number is plus 1. So, if you consider this minus 1 plus minus of minus 2, you will get it a minus 1, minus into minus plus, here also plus 1. Fixed number here it is plus 1. So this is the first term. For that if you add this one, you will get it a minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 you will get it a 0. Like that you will get it a arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression means a list of numbers in which a term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So if you like the video, press like button and subscribe my channel.